The next exercise we're gonna do what I call our lateral hop and stick. We're gonna go to the medial side, which is to the inside of my body. So first, we're gonna go to the medial side. So I'm on my right leg, I'm getting down, I'm gonna hop, I'm gonna land, I'm gonna stick it. Hop, land, stick it. This drill or exercise is all about the control on the land. I don't care how high or how far you go, we have to be able to control the land. Too often I see with our younger athletes, they're here, they're jumping really, really far, and they kind of hop around as they land. Once again, we think about changing that direction quickly on the ice. If I come in here and I'm doing this, well, it's very slow for me to come back out. So when I'm performing this, I gotta hop and stick it. I don't wanna be double clutching that land. So I'm here, I'm down, I'm up, land under control. So that's to the medial side.